Hello everyone, and you're watching Cooking with the Word. Good news, we're going to go way back to country style food, back whenever food was hard to come by, so they had to make do with just anything they could get. And the good thing that we're going to make today is good old-fashioned lettuce and onions. It only takes 3 ingredients. It's really simple. You just need some leaf lettuce, some onions, and one thing that every country kitchen should have. And if you don't have this in your kitchen, then you ain't country. If you don't have this in your kitchen, then you're not really thinking. That's some leftover bacon grease. You know, after you make the bacon, you got the grease in the pan. You know, I'm going to need that down the road. So you're going to pour it into a cup, as what we use, or any kind of container that you use. Leave it on the side of the stove. When you start cooking something later on, you want it seasoned, like some beans or different things, you want to put it in here. And we're going to take all these ingredients, just 3 things is all it takes, and it is absolutely delicious. Stay tuned. Let me show you how simple this is. First, all you have to do is take your lettuce and your onions, make sure that you wash them really good, and just chop them up fine. Just chop them up in little pieces, as you see there. You got your pieces of onions, you got your pieces of lettuce, and you just put it all in here into your bowl. That's your very first step, and it's so easy to do. Okay, folks, all you gotta do is you gotta get your leftover bacon grease really hot. And how much do you want to use? Well, you want to use some. We don't have an exact measurement, but we're going to definitely use some on it. Is this good for you? Tastes good, that's all I know. Look at that. Just let it sizzle in the pan. It's got to get really hot. It's got little pieces of bacon and different things in it, but that's okay. That's what tastes the best. That's what gives it that good bacony flavor. Look inside there. They're just ready. That lettuce and onions is like, just pour the heat on me. Just pour the grease on us and we'll give you a good flavor. We want to get it hot. We want to get it talking to us a little bit. You hear it talking? There you go. Feel the heat coming off of it. Okay, we want to check the temperature. There you go. A little bit of an onion. We make sure it's really good and hot. Turn that off. Watch this. This is how you make it. You got your lettuce, your onions ready. Take your hot bacon grease. Look at that. Get it all in there. I just want to stir it up. Look at that. Now that is good. It's going to have a good bacony flavor with the lettuce and onions. Try this a little bit. Oh wow, that is really good right there. That goes perfect with brown beans, potatoes, cornbread. It's an absolutely perfect meal. Like and share us on Facebook, on YouTube. Let everybody know about us, and we're going to keep sharing more. In our next video, we hope to make some cornbread. So make sure you stay tuned and watch out for more. And as for now, Cooking with the Word, we love everyone, and we want everyone to make sure that you search out Jesus Christ as the leading, guiding light in your life. He knows all things. He's above all, through all, and in you all. Make sure you go and search out Jesus.